All right, now I'm just gonna take you in the Crown Lounge real quick. There's a couple people in here, so I'm not gonna say much. I'll just show you around. This is the Crown Lounge on the icon of the seas. Probably making an Americano in here, show you around, and then we'll come out. See what you think of it. Alright, so just a quick little tour, just walking in and out of the Crown Lounge. Just a quiet little space to get to. Nice little perk for being Diamond or higher. You get the free espressos, Americanos, and cappuccinos. So just wanted to show you guys around. This is such a wonderful, beautiful ship. So just kind of want to share some of the items that 50-year-olds kind of always looking for, that it's hard to find. It's hard to find some information on Wi-Fi and what the Crown Lounge looks like. Another perk about being Diamond or Diamond Plus is when you're Diamond, you get one 24-hour period of Wi-Fi, and Diamond Plus, you get two 24-hour periods. So it's going to kind of walk you through that. Just open up your Royal Caribbean app, go to the little guy up here, and then down here it has internet packages. Hit access internet. And on this phone we have to select Chrome here. So it says, what do you want to do? We want to access the internet via Voom. Okay, then the Voom page pops up. You could enter your internet code, or you could scroll down, and then if this is the first time, you have to enter your personal information. So I'll do that now. Okay, then after you put in your personal information, this page pops up. Customize your internet package. We're actually on the last day of the cruise, so all that we have, for the option is the full 24 hours. So we're gonna, since that is selected, we can just scroll down here. You could do the surf and stream on one device. The total charge, $32.99, and it knows that this Diamond has not been used yet, so the total is $0. So you just hit purchase internet package, and it says you are connected to the internet, and it gives you the duration, and it literally counts it down for one device. So we're going to hit let's go, and you're on. So this is a pretty easy process. I hope this kind of helped you walk it through and get you on the internet. It's free, so we might as well use it, especially being Diamond Plus. So enjoy the internet, and happy surfing and cruising.